Swinging forward, and the race is on. Lucky Lorky, Conqueror, Benny Goodman, Shining G on the outside, emergency call. It's Conqueror, Shining G, Benny Goodman, and emergency call racing in fourth on the outside, fifth Lucky Lorky, entry number 10, Tail to Tail, number 1, Summit Dancer, rushing up is entry number 2, and this one is Big Packet, Magical Halo, Sincerely Devil. As they race the last 850, Conqueror by about 2 lengths, Shining Gene second, emergency call, Lucky Lorky, Benny Goodman down on the inside, Big Pack alongside is Sincerely Devil, and Tail to Tail as they race the last 550. Shining G takes the lead, emergency call, Benny Goodman is running by the rail as they swing for home. Shining G the leader, followed now by Benny Goodman is running by the rail. Shining G by about 2 lengths, followed by Benny Goodman. Emergency call is on the outside. Last 150, Shining G the leader by about 3 lengths now, followed by Benny Goodman, and finally Shining G. Benny Goodman, emergency call, Conqueror, Magical Halo, Sincerely Devil.